People, welcome back to another upload. Today we're going to be talking about Chronic Law performance and what Chronic Law said on stage to the police. Let's check out the stage performance, and after that I will give my take on it. And also Popcaan perform and what he said on stage also.
Officer, big up on yourself again, but as we say, when we saw them kind of dark, so watch your style. Ooh na 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 na, ooh na 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 na, ooh na 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 na, ooh na 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 na. God believe me, big up yourself, but we don't like police. Rather than on our inside, but nobody know the front yard. Fire it, let's sing some song together. But we don't be like that, buddy. Alright. I push in your jar and I put it back here, girl, point from your Portland, sing the man high. Like that, they think we have the top and this with them. We got them wicked up. The boy can't say we are. Alright. Bloody money, bloody diamond. I'm going to support now. Chopping line, sound like your money enough. Half million, don't go be running top. I'm going to say, rich off a murder, rich off a scam, get us anything known. I'm going to say, stress out, ask me for lights, please, yeah. I'm the only civil last number day. Thank you. Hey, Portland, you know the thing going on. You know the thing come down. Hey, Portland, say, don't post it there. I used to bang your line daily, but tell you, do over your cash out thing. I run the food, me know somebody to play with. And the man who want to drive me estate. Watch a style. I said, me there, your dog. I whisper to myself, and I'm a best me last. I forward from a deadly pass. Now I go back, me don't make me talk. After money never make fit, I get them a fit. You know a thing go. Me still a run, but no far from problems. Not still a far from me answer. Me still a feel every scars from the badness. Can't get fit talk to my family. And if you ask for the own there. All I girl when they have to put on the makeup for come on the date, cause a black bug on there now. Cause some girl, them are chicks now. How comes you? Alright, the boy. I'm a piece of the stuff that I like that, you know. I'm here to big up everybody who turned out to the song. You can't tell us something. Come on, tell me, say. Hold on. People don't move. Peace officer. Hold on. 10 minutes. Hold on, you want to go on now.
Peace officer, our time. Ready?
Hold on.
What about Butler? What about peace officer? Say fire. Come on. Man, don't talk like I'm rolling on the building. No. Boy, hey, play reading now. Come on, come on, nigga. Run the reading. I don't trust friend. I don't trust family. I don't trust friends. You don't know it's like. Don't play the man. Hey, if you know, I'm going to be there. Don't go clap. We like the girl off my head. We can rap this song that I get. Drive over 10 miles from Portland until my boat police out. See police them this up, reading. Run the reading. Say on time. Run the reading. Don't fuck up man, run it forward.
Yes, people, leave a note, comment in the comment section. What you think really are go on with the artists them and the Jamaican police them, because if Chronic Law come on stage and make that the speech there, that means something are go on with the Jamaican police them and the artists them. You see me I say, cause Chronic Law say whenever him say police, him get dark. You see me I say? Also, the artist say him not like police. You see me? I say yes, every man have their own opinion. Every man can say what them feel like to say. You see me? But remember, Chronic Law, you're a big artist, and that's so it all start, you see me? When you're a big artist and the whole dance and listen to your music and show your respect, Chronic Law, you go up on stage and say them the word out to your mouth. The police them go there pray, brother. You see me? So when I say to the artist them is just be careful, brother. You see me? I say, cause remember I know. We don't have a career, no, brother. We don't have a life. We don't have a family, no, brother. So we have to be careful what we do. Because the police, they don't care. Until the next one, I'm out. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed.